So what we would like you to do is to prepare some tarte flambée, some Flammkuchen. And you see here there are many ingredients that you can play with and choose your toppings. Your time starts now. Let's go.
Let's go.
We have some jokers for you guys, yeah? Would you like to choose some?
Not bad.
What is your joker?
Eva can help you for 1.5 minutes.
But you're only allowed to use one arm for 1.5 minutes.
Oh.
Flamme rouge, eh?
Well, let's see who the winner is. So this one is with the lemon slices.
Yes. Some ham, some lemon, a lot of cheese.
May I try one? You had some mushrooms and some feta cheese. It's very hard to choose from you two guys. Really, it's good. You're the winner.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Congrats, Marco.
And I'm a winner as well. I am allowed to eat it.